Hello and welcome. You just landed on Magnify's YouTube channel, where we supercharge your YouTube channels just like yours. Excited? Well, I think you should be. Here at Magnfi, we're all about creating video content that helps businesses level up. YouTube is the #2 search engine in the world. That's probably how you actually found us. So if you want to leverage the #2 search engine in the world, Magnfi has got you covered with our 5 video marketing tools. Look below, you're going to see a ton of great educational content, because what is a great video marketing software platform without the strategy behind it? Check out our videos and then, hey, connect with us over at Magnfi Connect. It's our free video marketing community that allows you to come on in and learn from the best in the business when it comes to video marketing strategy for businesses. Want to join one of our workshops? Great. Every Tuesday at 11 a.m., we offer a complete live training on the Magnfi platform. Ask questions about Magnfi, ask us how to capture video testimonials, how to send a video email. We're going to show you how to do that all within Magnfi. Want video marketing strategy? Hey, we got you covered there too. Every Thursday at 1 o'clock, jump into our live workshops where you can learn video marketing strategy for your business. Thanks for coming over and checking out our YouTube channel.